It's amount-wise around 5,500 plus, and then it's all mixed bag. It's not that particular sector, specific sector. It's mixed bag. So let us hope for the best. We are quite optimistic about the outcome.
Could you help me understand what really is your target as far as raising capital from sale of non-core assets is concerned, as far as your monetization plans are concerned? Can you give me the target you are chasing for this quarter?
Monetization, we have already started the process, and it will take some time. Of course, price discovery will take some time. But let us see if something can do before Q2, otherwise Q3 it will be possible.
Any amount that you have in mind that you are looking to unlock?
Price sensitive, so let us wait for the right kind of response from the market.
As far as stressed assets is concerned, of course, this is a problem that Bank of India has been trying to come around. Would you say it's peaked? I ask you this question because we are not many days away from the 27th deadline basis RBI's 12th Feb circular. Any incremental provisioning that will be required in line with that?
This is a continuous process. But as on today, now recognitions, we are going for resolution now. So it's a good thing for all banks. Let us see how these NCLT cases are over in this quarter to Q2. So after that, you will be in a position to know what is the impact on banking industry. But as on today, it looks good for all banks.
So the mandate clearly says that any loan that is not resolved within this timeline, which is 2,000 crore or more, will have to be referred to NCLT. So what's the risk? What's at stake for Bank of India in this slide?
So yeah, we are trying to sort some of the accounts through the Samadhan model. We're quite hopeful. So tomorrow we are having another round of discussions. We're quite hopeful that many of the accounts can be addressed through Samadhan model. Then we'll see if some of the accounts are not in position to address, then we'll be thinking of NCLT. But right now we are very hopeful, and promoters are also very cooperative nowadays. So let us hope for the best.
So the projects that you said you'll use Samadhan as a resolution tool, are they typically the same companies, 5-7 companies that most banks have been talking about, or are there more?
So initially, those 5-10 accounts we are working very hard. Let us hope for the best.
All right. And my last question, sir, as far as power assets is concerned, Bank of India has been lobbying for the one-day dispensation to be altered. Any feedback or any clarity you have on that front?
No, we are working hard to settle the accounts. First of all, whatever NPA we have, let us address those accounts. Now, if any changes happen, then we'll be thinking that line. But right now, we are focusing on these assets so that before 27th February, you can finish
27th August.
27th August, we can finish those lines.
So this quarter, should we expect any kind of a blip as far as asset quality is concerned?
Yeah, it will be good quarter this quarter.